Prompts are the foundation of how we communicate with AI, and just like language itself, they come in many forms. Each type of prompt serves a different purpose and produces a different kind of response. Understanding the main types of prompts helps you shape better, more accurate results, whether you're writing, designing, researching, or creating something new. Let's explore the most common types of prompts and how they work. The first is the instruction prompt. This is the simplest and most direct kind. You tell the AI exactly what you want it to do. For example, summarize this paragraph, or write a 200-word post about time management. Instruction prompts are useful for specific, task-oriented goals. The clearer and more detailed your instruction, the better the AI will perform. When you include context, constraints, or desired tone, such as in a friendly tone or using bullet points, the AI understands your expectations more accurately. Next is the contextual prompt. Contextual prompts provide background information or set a scenario before asking the AI to respond. For example, you are a teacher explaining climate change to middle school students. Write a short explanation. Context helps AI align its tone, vocabulary, and structure with your target audience or purpose. Think of context as the stage on which your prompt performs. The better you set the scene, the more authentic the result. Then we have the example-based prompt, sometimes called few-shot prompting. In this approach, you show the AI examples of what you want before asking for something new. For instance, you might write, Example 1, a motivational quote about learning. Example 2, a motivational quote about growth. Now create one about creativity. By seeing patterns in your examples, the AI learns your preferred style or structure. This method is extremely powerful when you want consistent, repeatable outputs. Another type is the role-based prompt. This is where you assign the AI a specific role or persona to adopt before performing a task. You might say, act as a marketing consultant, or you are an academic researcher. This framing helps the AI tailor its tone, logic, and vocabulary to match that role. It's like asking a human expert for help. The AI adjusts its behavior to fit the expertise you describe. A more advanced form is the chain of thought prompt, where you guide the AI to explain its reasoning step by step. For example, instead of just asking for an answer, you might say, explain your reasoning as you solve this problem. This approach leads to more logical and transparent responses, especially in analytical or decision-making tasks. Then there's the meta prompt, which tells the AI to reflect on or evaluate its own output. A meta prompt might say, review your previous answer and make it more concise, or check if your explanation is clear to a beginner. Meta prompting helps improve the quality of results through self-correction and refinement. Finally, we have creative or open-ended prompts. These invite imagination and free-form generation. Prompts like, write a story about the first robot to feel emotions, or design a futuristic city powered by kindness, allow the AI to expand its creativity. These prompts are ideal for brainstorming, storytelling, and art. The key insight is that you can combine different types of prompts to achieve the best results. A single prompt might blend context, instruction, and examples to produce something richer and more nuanced. For example, you might say, you are a creative writing teacher. Provide 3 examples of metaphors used in nature poetry, then write one original metaphor about the ocean. Each type of prompt is a tool in your creative toolbox. The more you understand them, the more control you have over your AI's output. In the end, mastering prompt types isn't just about getting better results. It's about learning how to think clearly, communicate precisely, and collaborate creatively with AI. By experimenting with different kinds of prompts, you'll begin to see how a few well-chosen words can unlock extraordinary possibilities.